Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make your Facebook private. So first, all you need to do is go to your Facebook app. Then, tap on the hamburger icon. Depending on the phone, it will be on the top right side of the screen or the bottom right. And then, tap on the setting icon. Under the settings and privacy, you can easily find privacy checkup and just tap on it. Then, in this privacy checkup, this will guide you through some settings so you can make the right choices for your account. Now, you can tap on who can see what you share. Then, tap on continue. To hide sensitive information, including phone number, your birthday, your hometown, current city, work, and education. You can tap the drop down and change it from what you selected to only me. Once you've done, select next. On the next step, you'll be able to choose default audience. You can tap right here and select the public, friends, or if you want to hide your post everyone, select only me. And same also on story. Then, to limit your past post, you can select limit. Then, as the same. You can change it into only me. But remind to tag on this post, their friends may still see them. To limit past posts, select limit and then limit one more. After that, select next. And then, you will be able to block someone. If you block someone user, they will be able no longer to see your post, tag, chat, or even conversation or add you as a friend. To add block someone, just tap add block and select. Or search Facebook user and then select block button. And then hit block. And then select next. Now, you've successfully changed who can see your information or hide it into someone. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.